The Get It Done Now planner for 2024 for the Kindle Scribe. Hey, let's get into this. This is awesome. Hey, JB here, excited you're with me. This has been getting a lot of requests for this video as we did the planner for the Remarkable 2. Now I want to show you the planner for the Kindle Scribe. I was a little worried about this because I didn't know how it was going to work. First of all, to get it on your Kindle Scribe, you use the Kindle application. You just pull it in. I'll show you right here. Pull it in there, and then it's going to come in. It takes a little while for it to get onto your device because it's a pretty big file. As you can see, it's going to come in here, and you're going to want to click these three dots and click download. I actually have it on here twice so I could show you that because it is a big file. Once you're in the planner, let's go ahead and go into the planner. It is an interactive PDF. So basically, it's going to open to the last page you're on. We're going to use the home button for a lot of things. First of all, this is a group effort. This was a group effort from all the Morning Coach members to bring this together, and it's really awesome. So when you come in here, the first thing you got is an annual planner. Chris wanted this. This is where you can just document vacations and do your annual plan. So you've got that there. The next thing you can do is your systems index. This has to do with our coaching system. For those of you that are in our coaching system, we've got our 2023 reviews, and you can actually use this. You go through it. It's got everything you need here on stuff that we do. And again, coming back home and going to our systems index, you're going to find all the stuff that's with our system. This is brand new this year. Excited about it. And then our weekend reviews are also now tagged. These are the weekend reviews, the questions we ask at the end of the week within the system to help you make sure you're getting things done and living your best life. Again, I'm very excited about this. Massive amounts of work, a whole team, our whole community put this together, and it just gets better every year. 18 years we've been doing this, and it just keeps getting better. Systems progress, this is new too. This is where we do our rosebud thorn, our life wheels. And so let's say you're in July and you're on your life wheel. What's cool is you can do your life wheel, go back home, okay? Go into your systems progress and say, hey, where was my life wheel in May? And that's going to take you right there very rapidly, which is really exciting. Again, your home is where we always land. We have cool notes. Let's say if you want to go to note 26, these are notes that you can put at the end of the planner with a table of contents that you've got everything ready for you. So you can write them out, whatever it is, contacts, maybe you have goals, maybe you want to put some stuff in there. You have 50 notes at the end of it. Then you also have 8 decision-making models, and this is cool. When you come in here, you got a tough decision to make. You can go through our Ben Franklin, the questions we ask, and the values. This is a decision-making model that we use. This is really great for work or with your staff, even family when you're trying to come up with some ideas. So we go back home. When you see, we're going to go ahead and go into the month. And in the month, this is what's cool with our plan. We've got our topics that we do. As you know, I've done 5,000 coach casts. Every single day I do a coach cast. So I have a weekly topic that we're going to work on. As you can see here, it's about risk reward is what we're working on there. We also have your Financial Friday, so you can really get organized with what you should be studying and what you should be working on. Now, what's cool about the planner, when you go into the day, you're going to find that you have your Sacred Six. These are the things you need to get done, the most important things. The myths you can do, your scheduling, your consistency. This is my favorite area where you're going to work on your habits. The goals that you're working on, your reading, and then your notes. So it's really cool that you've got everything here that you need to get organized. Then when you go to the next page, you have a daily journal that you can keep notes, you can write in. Everything is in one area. You also notice we have a new note area here for real fast notes like phone numbers and stuff that you need to put down. We go back home. Oh yeah, and one of the changes we made, let's go back into January. Let's go to the end of the week. Let's go to Sunday. One of the changes we made is we now have January up here and February, so you can kind of see ahead and where you're at in the month. Now, what's cool about this is, as I mentioned, once you get done with Sunday, we have our weekly review. And these are massive questions and awesome ways to get more done. Your 1% improvement, your goal review, everything is in here. You have a few days. And again, everything is well thought out. It's planned. 18 years of a system here this is how this works. And obviously you get this free at morningcoach.com. You want to work with me at a higher level as we have thousands of people that do. you can get involved in our programs by clicking join now. But we want to give this planner out, get as many people using it because it is a great planner and it just works really well, especially on the Kindle Scribe. So again, we go home and let's say you want to go to Systems Index. Let's go to where we were, January 1st or January 7th. You just press that and you're back at your weekly review. So you've got everything that you need structured in a planner. I do believe this is about 980 pages. We've worked really hard on building this to make sure that you've got the structure that you need. Obviously, the people that we're working with, we're coaching, we want to make sure they got the structure. So when they go into March, they know in March, we're going to be working on learning, self-understanding, strengths and weaknesses, self-control, and self-esteem. They understand those. In fact, as part of our system index, as you come in there, I come from aerospace engineering. I was in aerospace for years before I wrote my first 4 books and got into personal development. But if we go into the PDCA, there's 2 pages I want to show you. First is our total content plan. So you can check this out. You got some questions you ask you in December, the systems we use to review, and then all the content that we do every single day to keep you on track, to keep you moving forward and accomplishing things. I mean, it's really it's a very complex plan, but very simple. The beautiful thing about it is you just have to plug in. And then we do what's called the PDCA, which is you plan, do, check, and act. And so in December, we plan. January, February, March, we do, check, act, checked, and act, and then do. And this is a cycle that we're doing, so I'm constantly coaching you. So if you're not involved in our coaching program, you can say, okay, January, I need to be doing things. Okay, February comes up. What do I need to do? I need to check and act, okay? So you have everything in here now with what you need. The annual, so you can come back again. We'll click here. We've got our annual planner, so you can kind of take a quick look at things you've got going on when you're traveling. Maybe you're a speaker like I am. I just spoke to 500 people in Cartagena, Colombia. Need to check those things off, okay? And then you come in here and you go, okay, where am I going with my systems index? You can take a look at your weeks. You can look at your key performance indexes as you do your planning. You can look at your structure of what you're looking to do to really be super organized in your structured plan. Then we come back to your day and you say, okay, it's March 5th, and you come to March 5th and you got everything you need right here on your March 5th, and then you can start writing in your journal. I love the fact that you can write with a Kindle Scribe pen and because you write with your heart instead of your mind where you're typing. This device, I think, is getting better and better. And now when you incorporate a planning system like this, it just takes it over the top. And then you get some coaching to go along with that and really structure that system. You're going to get more things done. And that ROI, that return on investment, is just magical. So the cool thing is this planner is free. We've always given it away. You can start utilizing it. It's a no-brainer because people use it. It's great. And they come back year after year. And then there are people that say, hey, I want more. I want to work with you because we do all these resources. You can see, the people we've worked with and the things that we've done. We've got new iPhone apps. We're working on Google Play app. So it's really an exciting time for me. I've spent going on my 19th year of really working with people all over the world. 10,000 planners downloaded last year. Our target's 100,000 this year of really changing the world, making it a more productive, a more positive place, and that's what we're doing. So Kindle Scribe is ready. I was worried, but man, did it work out great. And man, is this device getting better. A lot of people are switching to it. I think it's a great device. I personally use Remarkable too. I still love it, but I'm tilting. I mean, this thing is getting better and better. Hey, as always, thank you. If you loved this video, you loved that we're giving you a free planner, hit a thumbs up. It helps us. It really does. It really makes a big difference. And then if you want to leave a comment, any questions, I try to get to them. We're here for you. We're here to support you. We're here to make the world a better place. That's what we're doing. Head over to morningcoach.com, grab your planner for the Kindle Scribe, and let's do this thing. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video on the Kindle Scribe. You rock. That planner is going to help you a lot. Hitting subscribe helps me. It makes a big difference. We bring you all kinds of news, reviews, fun stuff. I do YouTube wrong, but we have fun. That's what we do. And then down here is the next video you can watch on the channel. All right, thanks for being you, and thanks for being a part of the Morning Coach channel.